Welcome to Glam Cam. That's too extra. Welcome to Glam Cam. Welcome to Glam Cam, y'all. Welcome to Glam Cam. Welcome to Glam Cam. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So you see I'm doing another Valentine's Day look, and with this look it has more glitter. So the people that love glitter, like, you'll like this look. I feel like if I can wear glitter all the time, I will wear this look all the time. Like, I love glitter, and this is just another Valentine's Day look that you can do. This is for like more of people who like glitter and more like dramatic with their makeup. I'm not calling y'all dramatic because I'm dramatic, so I'm just saying, like, if you like a thick eyeliner, and I hope you like this tutorial. This is another look from Colourpop Sweet Talk. I'm telling you, like, with these colors you can do a lot of looks. Like, this is a great palette. Like, this palette, oh my god, Colourpop, you did that. Because I mean, I'm giving the vibes, you know. So anyways, you guys stay tuned so how to get this Valentine's Day look, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I am using my LA Girl concealer. Now I'm taking my beauty blender sponge and just blend it in the concealer. So I will be setting my eyelids with Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now I'll be taking a really fluffy brush to wipe off the excess. Oh my goodness, I'm moving too fast. Okay, so I'm using Meadow in my creases. I will be blending in, feel free. Now I will be putting Garden Date over my eyelids as well as blending it in. Now I will be taking Prima Drama, oh Lord, and putting that on half of my eyelid. So I am taking Feel Free and blending that in my outer corners. So this is the final look. Hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial. I will have more Valentine's Day look from the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. And remember to subscribe. Yeah. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Now with these videos, I am not showing you guys how to do the eyebrows and how to do the makeup. This is just straight eyeshadow ideas from the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette, okay? So I didn't want you guys to think like I'm doing a whole full glam face. I'm not showing you guys all of that. I'm just showing you guys how to get just different Valentine's Day ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.